LinkedIn is supposed to be a professional network, but most days it feels like a weird mix of self-branding, fake wisdom, and promoted posts from people I never asked to hear from. I like to see posts from normal people and not sloped people. So, like most NPCs, including me, I blamed LinkedIn, but I think that misses the real problem. LinkedIn is bad when you let the feed decide what deserves your attention. That was my mistake. And at the same point I thought, I'm an engineer. Bruh. I solve problems for a living. Why am I acting like this cannot be fixed? So I stopped complaining and I built small browser extension. The first version I implemented was simple. I hid the stuff I already knew I didn't want to see, like suggested posts, ads, etc. I also added small labels to authors so I could tell immediately what they usually post about. Like, okay, this guy will be talking about AI, LLMs, and this one about engineering and so on. That change alone already made the feed feel a lot better and less random. And after a bit, I moved to the next problem. Once the obvious trash was gone, certain people started standing out. I could already tell what I was going to get from them. Sometimes useful, often not. So the obvious next step was to unfollow them. But that's harder when it's only a feeling. Maybe I'm being unfair. Maybe the next post will be better. So I added a tiny vote to each post, good or bad. After a week or two, the pattern was obvious. If most of someone's posts were bad, I just simply unfollowed them.
Wow.
Because they were just making my feed worse. At first, I thought I was just trying to make scrolling less annoying, but after using it for a bit, I realized it was still too small. What I actually wanted was a simple way to go straight to people I really follow. So I added a new option. It shows me the people I actually care about. People who build things, people who write from experience, people who are useful more often than not. Now, instead of trusting the homepage, I can just open that and go straight to their profiles, posts or comments. So I just quickly open the people I want and read what they post. And yep, they can probably see that I opened their profile and I honestly don't care. That small change made LinkedIn feel way more usable to me, and to be fair, that's the only reason I use LinkedIn at all now.